Welcome to IQS Quiz. Think you know famous brands? Then guess the old logo before the answer appears. There are 20 logos, and they get harder as you go. Let's see if you can guess them all. Let's begin. Can you guess this old logo? The correct logo is YouTube. Can you identify this old logo? That logo belongs to Google. Which famous brand used this old logo? The answer is Apple. Do you know this old logo? It's Nike. Can you recognize this old logo? This logo is Coca-Cola. Which brand does this old logo belong to? The correct answer is McDonald's. Can you guess this classic logo? That's Netflix. Can you identify this vintage logo? It belongs to Amazon. Can you recognize this old social media logo? It's Instagram. Which messaging app used this old logo? The answer is WhatsApp. Can you guess this old logo? This is Facebook. Which music brand used this logo? The correct logo is Spotify. Can you identify this old gaming logo? That's PlayStation. Can you guess this old sports brand logo? It belongs to Adidas. Which car company used this old logo? The answer is BMW. Can you recognize this old app logo? This logo belongs to Snapchat. Which company used this old logo? It's LinkedIn. Can you identify this old creative software logo? The correct answer is Adobe. Can you guess this old coffee shop logo? That's Starbucks. Final challenge. Which famous brand used this old logo? You got it if you said Shopify. Wow, that was so much fun, right? How many did you guess correctly? Comment below and share your score. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exciting challenges, and check out the next video for even more food fun. Can't wait to see you there.